this, it wouldn't so bad enough. But them can't even read, but them can't even say a good statement. Just love likes them, licky. Them no want to put them on to the wheel. They don't want to put them on their drum and them things. A beer overnight mushroom lifestyle them want.
I know the apple that we got to tell you so we don't eat.
It tastes really nice and sweet.
Look how you're going to get in that trouble.
I'm not going to know nothing.
Let me see it. I can't eat it. Remember, this man did that one.
I don't want you to eat it. The apple sweet.
I go call God.
The ship was good. What you do from school so late? What you do from school so late? No, mommy. No, mommy, what? Listen what? Listen to
Rain
what?
did not fall.
Rain did not fall down your toe. Eh? Rain did not fall down your toe.
No, mommy, listen.
Me feel listen?
No, when school.
Thing then, you see how the culture I get nasty up and messed up by some different type of lifestyle. You know what I mean? I'll play some clips, I'll play a few clips to the upon this. When you can see how the culture I get nasty up by some people where you don't know where they come from. Our parents, who brought them up. You know what I mean? Because some things with them people they do, them things not accepted in that place, and if you highlight it and burn it out.
Where the bumper clock? Where the bumper clock that? And what is in a Jamaica? The bumper clock.
And them batty boy behavior go on my island. So them people they are behave, children live what they learn.
No mother, no jagger. Which part down no chop? Mother, no jagger. No think like my blood clot polo shirt. Batty boy. But suck yourself, you're no jagger. No chopper. You see bag up, want a money in there.
Parents, them know for them now all the meds. Them love the freaky lifestyle and the loose lifestyle. And them now watch what them are doing in front of them youth. Parents them in Jamaica know social media and drama and mix up and all sort of things when make no sense. And if you grow the youth and spend time with the youth, them not have time for that. But people business and when you concern them have time for that. So and remember you know for Jamaica parenting system mash up and all over the place because you have either a father alone or monitor youth them or the mother alone.
Where you come from? Yeah. Hey, listen to me. Who you quarry? Where this come from? Eh? Me say I jail me I say you know. I approve school, you know. You understand? Prove school you go come in. Me not tolerate you with this. Young people this you know. You understand?
Single parent depend their rise in Jamaica and even the youth them too. Youth have youth.
I can't believe my eyes. 10-year-old girl get pregnant with a big belly in front of her. Westman couldn't have their right mind do something like this. Although we live in a cool world, you know guys. Nothing when me see no fears me, you know. But you see them man here, they need to have a terrible penalty for them. You know, lock up them man, you know, you deal with them different. But you see as parents, especially mother, you have to take close attention to a little girl. Not even the little boy them, you know, but the girl picnic them.
Youth have youth nowadays, so what kind of experience them can teach for them youth where them have grow. No experience and they you know on the island. So no for youth them mindset all over the place, them no second. Like parents them now do them job. Social media and drama mix up, have them attention more than them picnic, more than them youth. And most of them things that go on the island right now. Alright, we'll play a few more clips you know, and show them how I go on. Say a place gone, even with some of them school youth. Yeah? We'll play a few more clips and watch.
Triangle dance. Crazy.
Girl makes that, girl take that, girl take that, bounce on the top, chop out in the bed.
Call your mother now. Call your mother now. Call your mother now. 10 man of people dirty girl. That's what I know. My mother just in the office in a bitch. That me I tell you, you're idiot, dirty girl.
Anything sweet you
When show your ass.
And all of people and us. Yeah. So I have to respect police.
And smoke, you know, and the police and soldiers come for them. But then take in them pants. And I tell her that I bust out back your pants when they take it to blood. I know nothing good. What you mean? You can't imagine yourself you go to school and then end up.
Them they are man yard. You see all school pick me a burn up parents' money. Oh my God. And it's a shame and disgrace to the human race.
Mother, na jagger. Which part down na chop? No, jagger. No think like my blood clot polo shirt. Batty boy. But suck yourself, you're not jagger. No, chopper. You see bag up, want a money in there.
Yeah. That's why we have to highlight all of these things. Because we look at cultural vibration and cultural meditation. The culture itself. We now embrace it. We are lose it. Be a freaky thing and some look loose, folly lifestyle. The youth them and the female them are promote on the island. And now promote the cultural vibration and energy now, the authentic self, you know, the Jamaicanness, you know. We now promote that, we promote some freaky thing.
They you know say what they made upon corn up some about tool. You know book upon not the great, the infamous Sashana gave teaser. She go by her next name on it, but she a girl and a self man in her car.
So,
now you saw me say she come out a bar with you. Me if I say it's a blood clot girl come like she a either coming in for recognition or respect her where you look for. But people check them out. When Cartel and Jay-Z and them man they go certain red carpet event, you know, see them bring the side chick.
Some folly thing. Look on the youth them when they wind up themselves when I go on. When me a youth, it's when me a youth I grow. You think you can behave so? You think you can behave so? You can't behave so. You no man. No, you're mad. We're not par with you again. We're not par with you. Go par different. We don't know who you go par, but you can't par. When you behave so like this, when you are youth, you can't par with you again. You're mad. You're mad. You have to get straightened up, man. Because enough people go stop dealing with you if you behave so. But in my time as a youth. I didn't behavior what you say.
Never make me jealous. You don't know, so me put that to the past. Me tap look woman ya now.
So you have a man?
Me nah no man, me no want no man. Look why you see when a girl have a look at. You see girl where you're the eyelash and queen so. Girl where you're eyelash and queen so Jaden. No need man. Them protect them own self, that a law.
Them behave anybody you want. You mad? When you're back then nowadays, you can't behave so. You can't base up on the island, man. You know all after a sudden the place does get folly and nasty. It has to start from the youth them. Because youth them want to do certain good thing. I will play the next clip. Watch one now.
An incident they got on the other day, last week, where you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, incident they got on the other last week where somebody exposed my a big thing on the internet and it's everywhere, and I don't know if you could help me to move from Jamaica.
Well, where do you want to go?
I don't know, overseas. Thank you for the gifts, Nicki Minaj. Thank you, and thank you for the gifts.
Do you are you able to travel?
I have a passport.
Does that mean you can travel, like so a visa and stuff?
No, I don't get the visas yet, but I have a passport.
And like, so someone would have to file for you?
Yes, and my father is living in overseas, but a lady came on my live, like in the box, and she was talking to me until I tell her.
No, this now. Let's move this. Move the black car. Move the car. Move the car.
Rastafarian fuck body as a pussy, I'm in a pizza. Go ahead. Suck them up.
And them can't even read. Hey, if they save them for them youth are smart and intelligent and them do this, it wouldn't so bad enough. But they can't even read, but them can't even say a good statement. Just love likes them, licky. Them no want to put them on to the wheel. They don't want to put them on their ground and everything. A beer overnight mushroom lifestyle them want. Quick success them want. You know what I mean? And that's enough for them. And certain things they even want to see out of my mouth. Thing, man. Because a certain lifestyle. Certain lifestyle will behave the way them are behave. Them lose them balls. Them feminine. Them don't know if be a man again.
Blood clot, yo. All that woman them have a crush for me.